Hey y'all, in case you didn't know, Briogeo just dropped a new product in their Don't Despair repair line. If this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do all types of natural hair videos, skincare, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're into, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. If you are an OG to my channel, then you know I am like a Briogeo fanatic almost. I've tried almost every product that this brand has. So recently, Briogeo added this super moisture conditioner to their Don't Despair repair line, and I was like, duh, Faren, you have to try it. So let's just go ahead and get into this wash day. So of course, I started with the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. If you haven't already checked out my original Briogeo video where I review the Don't Despair Repair line, be sure to check that out. I have it in the cards and in the description box. But this shampoo, I love. It has that pearlescent look to it. It lathers. It's super rich. And it leaves my hair feeling clean and soft. I use this right after that Olaplex bonding treatment. And baby, my hair just feels like I'm a newborn. Like nothing has ever damaged or happened to my hair. Which I don't know if it's the shampoo or the treatment, but either way, I've really enjoyed going in with this shampoo after using that bonding treatment. So as you can see, like I love the lather. It's not stripping at all. I guess you can finger detangle. I don't really look to detangle with this shampoo at all, but I just really like the way that my hair feels on rinse out. And now for the brand new start of the show, we have the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Conditioner. Now, the directions say after shampooing, apply and massage into the hair, ensuring the conditioner is applied evenly. Leave it in for up to 2 minutes before rinsing. For best results, use conditioner between regular Don't Despair Repair deep conditioning mask uses. So, this is not the same as the Don't Despair Repair mask at all. I like it. I can't necessarily say that I love it though. But listen, this is why. The Don't Despair Repair mask, it just seems lighter, and because it's a mask and I usually sit under my hooded dryer or put a heated cap on, that mask really penetrates into my hair and I can absolutely finger detangle. Like seriously, check out that other video if you want to see. With this conditioner, because it's not a deep conditioner, I feel like it does okay. It worked best when my hair was soaking wet. I could really apply it liberally and finger detangle. If your hair is kinky coily like mine, I would definitely say please use this on soaking wet hair. I've used this for maybe 3 wash and goes now, and what I love about it is that my hair is moisturized. I don't have to sit underneath. I don't have to use heat in order to get that moisture, but I'm also washing my hair every 2 to 3 days. So yes, it keeps my hair moisturized for those 2 to 3 days, but it's not that deep conditioning moisture that you're going to get with the mask. But it tells you that on the bottle. This is more so if you wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, use this in between. And of course, while I was in the shower, I do all my wash and goes in the shower. I just followed up with the leave-in and some stylers to get this amazing wash and go that I have today. And I will honestly this time be sure to have those linked in the description box down below. This is the final result, y'all. My hair feels so good though. Like I said, this is the 3rd time that I've used it underneath my wash and goes. I feel like my hair just, it still feels so soft even though it has the hold from the products of the wash and go. Like I love it. Like my hair doesn't feel dried out in between. I don't have to really do any maintenance to my hair because like I said, when I do wash and goes, I don't leave them in for a week. It's just not ideal for my type of hair. My hair will get tangled, but because I've been doing wash and goes every 2 to 3 days, I feel like my hair has gotten used to using this conditioner, and the results just I keep looking at myself because I'm like, ugh. I feel like the results are getting better and better because like my hair is keeping that moisture, because I haven't used a deep conditioner, but my hair is still getting the conditioning and moisture that it needs. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I'm rambling. So let's just wrap this all up. Will I buy this again? Probably not. I think it's great. Don't get me wrong. Like I said, I've loved it for my wash and goes. It's just not as cost effective as it could be. You know, like this was $36, and if I'm using it 2 to 3 days a week in between my wash and goes, I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly. Like I feel like actually I still have this much left, and I've used it 3 times. I didn't even think about that. Still, I feel like I have other moisturizing conditioners that are less expensive that I can kind of waste on my wash and goes that I do more often. Now, if I wasn't on YouTube, if I wasn't constantly trying new products, this might be a staple for my wash and goes just because I love Briogeo like that. But for me, it's just not really a must have. It was cool to try. I'm definitely going to use all of it, but I would go towards the deep conditioning mask. I would choose that 10 times over just a regular conditioner. But that's a natural girl for you. We love our deep conditioners. We tend to use them once a week, and so I would just make sure I was treating my hair with that before I grabbed this. But to all my curly girls who can wash their hair every day and love Briogeo products, like go out, try it, love it, but it's a really good product. It's just not really cost effective. It will be a product empty for your girl very soon. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was short, sweet, and to the point. Let me know down below. How do you feel about Briogeo products? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.